Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm gonna show you a beautiful road trip that is full of spectacular views. Driving through the mountains with trees all around and a little rain falling. Everything looks so fresh, so green and so peaceful. We are going higher and higher and it feels like we are going into the clouds. This place is like a dream. I just wanted to share this beautiful moment with you all. Nature, rain and a peaceful road through the forest. I'm so happy to be here and hope you will like it too. Thank you.